Understanding lupus causes, symptoms, and natural remedies. Lupus is a complex autoimmune disease which is affecting millions of people worldwide, predominantly the women. Now, it involves the immune system mistakenly attacks the healthy tissues, leading to inflammation and damage in various parts of the body. Let's talk about the causes of lupus. Genetic factors. Genetic factors play a very important, genetics play a very significant role in predisposing individuals to lupus. People with family members affected by lupus have a higher risk of developing the condition. Number two is environmental triggers. Certain environmental triggers such as infection, sunlight exposure, stress, and certain medications like antibiotics, antiepileptics can trigger or exacerbate lupus symptoms in genetically susceptible individuals. Hormonal imbalance. Hormonal changes, particularly in women, can influence the onset and the severity of lupus. Estrogen, for instance, has been linked to lupus flares. Let's talk about what are the symptoms of lupus. The symptoms of lupus can vary widely from person to person and may mimic other conditions. Common symptoms include joint pain, persistent, often migratory joint pain, and stiffness. Skin rash, a buttily shaped rash across the cheeks and nose, which is the malar rash. Photosensitivity and discoid rash, raised patches. The fatigue, persistent extreme fatigue not relieved by rest. Fever, low grade fever, especially during flare ups. Organ involvement. Lupus can affect various organs such as kidneys, lupus nephritis, heart, lungs, and brain, leading to serious complications if not managed properly. Let us now talk about what are the natural remedies for lupus. While medical treatment is essential for managing lupus, some natural remedies and lifestyle changes may help alleviate the symptoms and support the overall health. Healthy diet. Emphasize a rich or a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, or lean proteins. Omega 3 fatty acids found in fish like salmon and walnuts can help reduce inflammation. Regular exercise, low impact exercises such as swimming, walking, and yoga can improve joint flexibility, reduce stress, and boost your overall well being. Go for sun protection. Now, since sunlight can trigger lupus flares, use sunscreen with a high SPF. Wear protective clothing and avoid prolonged sun exposure, especially during the peak hours. Stress management techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises, and mindfulness can help reduce stress level, which may lessen the frequency of lupus flares. Herbal supplements. Now, some herbs such as turmeric and ginger have anti-inflammatory properties that may help manage inflammation associated with lupus. However, consult with a healthcare provider before starting any herbal supplements. Adequate rest is also very important, so ensure the sufficient rest is there and sleep to support immune function and overall health. So, by understanding causes, recognizing the symptoms early, and adopting the holistic approach to management, individuals with lupus can lead fulfilling lives with reduced symptom severity and improve their overall health. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel for more upcoming related content on health and fitness.